Krishna Goyal. We are here with an innovative project. Our team consists of 3 members. I am Ria Saranaja, grade 7C.
I am T.R. Krishnan of grade 7C.
I am R. Alice Kumar from grade 7C. Overcrowding can block movement, cause panic and sometimes lead to fatalities. A tragic example happened at the Sinnaswamy Stadium during RCB tribute to the Ahmedabad flight accident victims. Thousands of people rushed in, chaos spread and sadly some lives were lost. This inspired our project. A system that counts people entering and exiting when a safe and alert when a safe limit is reached. When made for a library, it can also help when stadium, event or any crowded place keep people safe. In this project, we are using Arduino UNO, ultrasonic sensor, IR sensor, LCD display, 16x2, buzzer, breadboard, jumper wire. Arduino UNO, a microcontroller board that acts as the brain of the system. It processes the signal from sensor and control output like LCD. Ultrasonic sensor, a sensor that measures distance by sending out ultrasonic waves. The waves are 20,000 Hz. IR sensor, detect motion at present placed or infrared light reflection.
This system uses an ultrasonic sensor to detect the person entering and IR sensor to detect the person exiting. When a person comes near the ultrasonic sensor, it sends the signal to the Arduino to increase the person count in the LCD display, and when the person count reaches 20 and 21st person attempt to enter, the buzzer will alert the people and it want to ring every 1 minute, and when the person exit until when the number of people reaches 20 and the 21st person attempt to enter, the system stops further counting and shows library full on the LCD display. Also, when the LCD display shows library full, the buzzer will activate to prevent the 21st person from entering. The buzzer will activate every 1 minute until a person exits. I firmly believe this project will prevent the over-occupancy, death and keep the safety limit. We hope that you like our project. We heartily thank our management, all our teachers and mentors who helped out throughout the project sessions. We had a delightful experience in the ATL lab. It helped to think and ignited our innovative minds. Thank you.